How to change LinkedIn password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to change your password, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on bottom of your screen. Now in the settings interface, tap on the sign in and security option and you will see the option for change password. Tap on the change password option and you will now be required to enter your current password firstly and then type in your new password and then retype your new password. Finally, tap on the save password option and with this, your password will be changed. So, this is how you can change password on LinkedIn. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.